So now I want to work on the old standby wagon wheel with you. There are 4 chords, and the first chord is C. The next chord is G. Nice. The next chord is A minor. And the last chord is F. Beautiful. So we're going to use the swung strum, which is down, down, up, up, down, up. And on C, that would sound like 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, up. Yeah, nice. And we're going to use that for each chord. We're going to do a pattern once, except for the end. You see there's 2 Fs, 2 measures in a row of F at the very end of the chord progression. And that means we're going to play the swung strum twice for the F. So it'll go down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Let's take it real slow, all right? And we'll start on the C. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, G, down, down, up, A minor, down, down, up, F, down, up, C, down, up, G, down, down, up, F, down, up. And there's the other F, down, up. Back at the top, C, down, up, G, down, up, A minor, down, up, F, down, up. Now back to C, down, up, G, down, up. Here's the double Fs, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, like a wagon wheel, A minor, and then the F, C, down, up, G, down, up, F, down, up, another F, down, up, down. Let's check it at the top. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. C, down, up, G, down, up, A minor, down, up, F, down, up, C, down, up, G, down, up, F, down, down. Now back at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, down, up, G, down, up, A minor, down, up, F, down, up, C, down, up, down, up, down, F, down, up, down, up. Nice. So now let's hear how it goes with the chorus, right? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back to the top. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like the southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me. Let's do the chorus one more time. Let's try it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way that you feel. C. Hey, mama, rock me. Back to C. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. A minor. Rock me, mama, like the F southbound train. C. A, G, mama, rock me. And they're on F. And end on C. Nice. So that's the chord progression of the whole thing. The verses, same deal. And I hope that if you just practice this one chord progression, you'll be able to sing and play the entire song. So hope that helps, and I will catch you later. Peace out.